Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jeffrey Hosea coming to you with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I've invested $49 and got a return of $500 in 9 days, guys. So this is just the beginning, right? We're going to scale that up to 4, 5, 6 figures even, within a matter of time. So I'm going to take you guys on that journey. But today, 9 days in, guys, 9 days in. So right now, it is a 30-day challenge, right, to help everybody who takes action earn at least 4 figures per month passively. So what I'm going to do right now is show you guys my earnings. I'm going to show you proof. I'm going to go into my back office, show you how much I've made within 9 days, and then show you the income potential, right, for investing $49 and scaling that up and earning 4, 5, or even 6 figures. But the goal right now is to help everybody earn 4 figures per month passively in 30 days. Let's go. So here we are, guys, in my back office. You can see my name on the top right, and you can see the platform, the back office, and this is my earnings right now in 9 days. So as you can see, I have requested $238 and I have $239 on hold, right? So I can request that very soon once it becomes available. So guys, this is how it works. When you make a sale, right, you get 100% commissions from that. So it is $49 to invest, so you get your $49 back, right? Second way you get paid is when that person stays on month after month, you get paid 30% commission from that. Okay, and the third way you get paid is on a second tier, right? So when you make a sale and that person goes out and makes a sale, you get 30% commission from that sale on a monthly basis as well. So I hope I made that clear on how you can get paid on this platform, guys. So you can get paid 3 ways, right? Remember, 3 ways. So this platform, if you're not sure what it is Builderall. It is called Builderall, and it is a digital marketing platform, right? Where you build websites, sales funnels, webinars, even, pretty much everything you need as an online entrepreneur to build your online empire, guys. So it is really cheap, right? Very affordable for everyone to invest $49 with a high income potential. And I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, guys, here we are on the earnings calculator page, right? Just to show you the income potential for investing a little $49. So this is how it works, and this is how we're going to help everybody earn at least 4 figures per month passively. Okay, so for example, if you were to go out and make just one sale, remember when I told you you earn 100% commission from one sale, right? So as you can see, your immediate earnings is $49 and your monthly income is $14.97. Okay, so that's showing you that you get 100% commission back, and then you get 30% commission if that person stays on month after month. Now, back to our goal, helping everybody earn 4 figures per month passively within 30 days. Okay, so let's put in some numbers. For example, let's say you go out and make 10 sales, which I just did. I just made 10 sales in 9 days, but the goal is to help everyone do that in 30 days. So say the people that I got involved, right, I helped them go out and get 10 people as well. So take a look at the monthly income, shoot up to 1,646. Okay, so we just surpassed, the $1,000 mark. Now we have people earning $1,646, right? All from making 10 sales and helping those people go out and duplicate what you just did, right? Duplication is key, guys, and I'm going to show you how you are going to duplicate this success. Now I'm going to show you guys more income potential, more proof, more validation on how you can take this small investment, right, and crush it, 4 figures or 5 figures even, and scale that up, over time. So check out this video as my sponsor shows you his earnings.
Hi guys, so I just want to show you this. So I've created an insane sales funnel that's made me thousands of dollars just in the last few days. So I'm just going to refresh this page. So this is just from today's date when it refreshes. So all of these commissions, but we go down to day 2. So all of the $47 and $48 commissions are from this funnel. So we go down here, 10th, which is yesterday, 47, 47, 48, 47, all the way down, multiple commissions all the way down here, all from yesterday. We go to the day before, the page before, still yesterday's date, all of these commissions coming through. It just continues to go, look, it stops then and goes into the next day, 47, 47, 47. So this is an insane funnel. It's the best sales funnel I've ever created.
Now that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, guys. So as you can see, right, I'm going to show you proof of these income earnings, which is 5 figures in 30 days. 5 figures in 30 days, guys. So now you see how I've gotten sales within 9 days, right? I'm just starting off within 9 days, right, using the same sales funnel, and it has done all the selling for me, right? It has done all the selling for me. I have access to all the bonus training, all the bonus content for investing $49, using this funnel. So guys, you can get access to the same thing, but I'm going to put a little twist on that, right? Not including the bonuses you get for signing up under the funnel when you click on the link below. I'm going to give you my own bonus, which is a vacation incentive, right, to either Bali or Thailand. Bali or Thailand vacation incentive if you were to sign up under me with my link, right? This does not include the bonuses and training you get within the funnel itself. All right, guys, so I told you the goal, and that is to help everybody earn 4 figures per month passively in 30 days. I showed you my earnings. I went to my back office. I showed you proof of earnings within 9 days. And I also showed you income potential, right? You saw in that video with my sponsor showing you the commissions he has earned. And you also saw my commissions as well. And I also told you the 3 ways that you can get paid with this platform. So with all that, guys, with all that, all you have to do is invest $49, right? When you invest $49, you're gonna have access to the same sales funnel that we're using in our team to crush it, right? So as you saw, I made sales within my first day. I made 10 sales in 9 days, and that is just the beginning, guys, because this is gonna scale up even more. So if you want to jump on this ride, if you want to get access to the same sales funnel, be sure to click on the link below, and that's going to take you through the funnel itself. So you're going to see for yourself how it works, because you're going to be using that same sales funnel for yourself to make sales. All right, guys, so don't forget the bonuses, right? Don't forget the bonuses that you will get within this funnel, and also my personal bonus, which is giving you a vacation incentive to either Bali or Thailand. There are other destinations as well, guys, but I will let you know when you do sign up. And also, if you have any questions, I will have my contact link in the description as well. You can send me a message on Facebook, we can get on a Zoom call, chat, whatever it is, and answer all your questions. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you guys have an awesome day. I'll see you in the next video.